Hello and welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. So today I'm going to be teaching you something that's very sweet in the key of C, which is all white. Wrong fingering. Right fingering. Alright, so I'm going to teach you something that's very nice. How to play this song. We give you the glory, we worship you, our God. You are worthy to be praised. Some of you already played this, but you might be playing it wrongly. You might be playing it not as good as this. There are people that will obviously also play better than this, just like I can do also. But I'm going to be showing you a very simple one today. So let's get to the keys and see this. So the song goes like this. So I'll show you with one finger the chord progression. Now it starts. We. That we is already on 3. Like we. 1. We. So it's like this. We give you. Again. We give you. So that's our bass line. We give you. So you can see this, you can read the numbers and then we worship you, our God. You are worthy to be praised. Now let's take this further. So let's learn this now. Our first chord, we 3 on the left, 1, 3, 5 on the right. We next chord, give. We have a C diminished 7, which is G flat on the left. C, E flat, A on the right. E next. I'm not a singer. We have a A flat on the left. We have a D, F, B on the left. So don't forget. I hope you are writing. I hope you are writing. That brother, I hope you are writing. Be writing. No, don't come and say this is too fast. It's not fast. Write the chords. Pause, right, pause, right, pause, right. That's how you get it. Yeah, thank you. We give you. Now the next chord. We have an A on the left, E, G, A, C on the right. So we give you. Then 5. I'm sure you can see the chord. Then I'm sure you can see the chord. You can add this also. Now let me show you another thing. Then there's something we used to do. You are God. Now let me show you this very simple. Now let me show you that. So what I'm playing is I'm doing A flat, C and F on my right, and I'm doing G, C and E. And I'm just going on that. Just A flat, G. You ask me how now? Now look at the bass line and we'll define this now. The bass line is 2, 3, 4, 2, 5. Now look at it. 1, come down, go up, remain up, then down. And that is it. Very simple. Pa, pa, pa. I'm sure even someone that just started playing keyboard today will be able to pick this just by watching it. Yeah, you have to watch it over and over. So let's go again. We give you. Sister Maka is singing, then she goes. Sister Maka goes. Sister Maka sings better than me. You can come to 1, then 4 again. Worship. You are waiting for this moment. When it gets to this point, you just land it on it because you just learnt it. Just you are God. Yeah. Correct. You are too. You won't play like that. Before you say it's showing off. You. Then you go to 6, you go to 2. Worthy to be praised. I hope you learned something today. Please click the subscribe button, the like button, and give me a very nice comment. for more. God bless you in Jesus' name. Thank you.